Cathay Pacific here. Right, here's a dodgy one. It's on the ground according to this. 9.41 mile away. It's doing 519.2 mile an hour on the ground. Its altitude has just changed to 26,466 foot. That's quite bloody fast. Showing a vertical speed of 1,152 mile an hour. Wow, I bet they're dizzy on that bloody thing. I've never known a roller coaster that bad. Going from Manchester to Hong Kong, past Durham. Right, okay. It's going up the country instead of down. It's Bravo Lima X-Ray India, Cathay Pacific of China on CPA 216. It's an Airbus A350 1041. There you are, it's now up to 27,000 foot from ground. It's bloody fast. Right, we're circling EasyJet Airbus. It shows them they're going from France to Gatwick, which was a change from originally. There it is. Now we'll go on flight radar 24. Shows it a bit clearer. And on this one it is going from Darlington to not available. Or not applicable, whichever way you want to bloody word it, but it means not applicable, I think. Airbus A319111, and that bit's right as well. Doesn't say the registration on that one. There's no drop down menu. Right, okay.